We were in an area that provided us the opportunity to see a ShowHauler RV motorhome. I don't know if you've ever seen one of these. They're custom built, they're expensive, they're beautiful, and they're rare. So if you haven't seen one, check this out. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. First, I'm going to show you some pictures from ShowHauler.com's website, and then I'll show you the one that we actually saw. We were only able to get a little bit of video and photos, but we're sure you'll get the idea of the quality and workmanship behind this brand. ShowHauler Motorhome Conversions is a family-owned business and the leading builder of custom truck conversions. ShowHauler is a leading builder of custom truck conversions and has designed and built over 1,500 custom conversions since 2000. They build custom-designed Super C motorhomes, motorhomes with garages, and toter homes, catering to the towing, race, horse, motorcycle, boat, classic car, and snowmobile trailers with a focus on high-quality living quarters. ShowHauler claims to be the safest motor coach on the road, with the coach frame construction using tubular steel of 2-inch by 3-inch on floors and 1-inch by 3-inch on sidewalls. Block foam was placed between steel sidewall supports prior to bonding aluminum exterior walls to the frame. There are no rivets, and a highly effective bubble-type insulation is installed to the interior wall and ceiling surfaces. ShowHauler coaches are built on a standard truck chassis with a higher gross vehicle weight rating than a typical motorhome, allowing for a greater carrying capacity such that weight is never a concern. Highway crosswinds and oncoming traffic have little effect on the road handling of this coach. Interior design is custom built with luxury your way. The average price of a new ShowHauler motorhome can vary significantly, but generally they're looking at prices ranging from around $500,000 to over $1 million. 40 foot. Man, that's beautiful. I like it when they paint the sides of the slides. $16 What you trying to figure out, Dave?
What size motor it is?
What size?
Yeah.
As in, like what? As an example.
16 liter? What?
I think over here it says 16.
That's a Detroit diesel.
Yeah. Welcome to the ShowHauler.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice kitchen. I like the TV behind the sofa. Holy smokes. Got room in here. How come this one's got so much more room? Everything lights up. I wonder what he's added to it. Washer dryer. Is that a full bath there?
Well, if you know anything about show haulers, they are completely custom.
And that's
You get to pick the tile color, the wood color, the floor plan, the chassis, the everything. You build it from the ground up.
Clothes. Room for clothes.
you just behind here.
Oh, I didn't see that. Oh. Yeah, hanging clothes, yeah.
No, you could put in baskets or something. And you got
Oh, okay. I'm good there with that.
in the drawers,
Yeah. Nothing under the bed because that's probably all tanks.
tanks and stuff. Yeah,
I got this, it's nice.
you got more knee room for sure.
Yeah. What's this? Washer dryer? Pantry. Yep. Storage.
This thing is super clean.
It is.
Wonder why he's giving it up.
Yes, sir. About a round.
What a what?
No dishwasher.
What's the problem?
Well, none of them have them.
Okay, I didn't know. The guy did not want to get out of it. Can you, with your golf cart, drag them up to the front? I'm with a customer right now. Can you do that? No problem. I appreciate it. Thank you. So it's funny. The very first time, when I first met my wife, I took her one day to an RV show in California, RVIA, one of the largest, one of the top big threes. And she goes through, and she was like, Fusion Toy Hauler, Fusion Toy Hauler, Fusion Toy Hauler. She went through every single RV, Cornerstones,
Yeah.
all of the stuff. And she comes up, I found the one I want, I found the one I want, I found the one I want, I found the one I want. I was like, okay, well, what do you want? ShowHauler. I was like,
Yeah.
oh, shit.
Yeah.
That's like saying spacecraft
For a fifth wheel, yeah.
for a fifth wheel.
Yeah.
Started about 5.
What did he get something different?
He bought a realm.
A what?
A realm.
A realm?
Or travel realm. It's a $1.6 million bus.
Oh, well, good for him.
How many miles around this bad boy?
Yes.
Gotta be a key around here somewhere.
They didn't leave the key in it. But
No way to actually.
Does it really matter? It's good for 1,000,000 miles.
I will. I can ask my manager as soon as I got here how much it is, miles wise. I usually will open the door, but it pops up when it's not.
It's really tall in here. That's why it feels so much bigger. 'Cause
Yeah, it's tall.
are these electric blinds?
I don't know.
I guess not.
Doesn't look like it.
Well, still won't give it to me.
What has it got in it? You said 16?
16
Yeah,
liter.
it's got the 600 horse.
What is it?
It should be the county. Well, let me make sure, because oh my luck, they put some weird funky motor in it.
So, Dave, what'd you think of that 1-year-old ShowHauler
Nice.
for $500,000?
Not that nice.
What did you like about it?
Oh, just the quality of everything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the thick walls and floor and
Yeah.
all that.
Everything well built.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but you wouldn't get one if you won the lottery.
Oh yeah, I'd get one if I won a lottery, sure. Absolutely. Probably get 2 of them.
Not in your budget right now.
Not in the budget.
It certainly isn't in mine.
No.
But it was nice to see one.
Yeah. It's nice to dream.
Uh-huh.
Everybody's got a dream. Yeah. What do you guys think of it? Put it in the comments below.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.